Hello kids, how you doing today? Assalamu alaikum. I am gonna explain to you how to do this assignment. This is for fourth grade, lesson 12 homework, and it's page 61 from the book that is currently used. So my son brought me this homework and he needs help with it, so I am gonna help him. And for anyone who needs help with the same page, same contents, that it should be helpful. Okay, so don't wait for me to answer these questions. I'm not gonna answer the question directly, but I'm gonna explain it for you so that it can be so easy for you to answer it. Okay, and also let me clarify one thing. Since this is a video, when I ask a question and I pause a little bit, that means you should figure out the answer, and it's better if you can pause the video, think about it, try to figure out yourself, and then play it again, then hear my respond. This way we all gonna learn in a very effective way. So the question number one, so these, it's all about fractions, so I'm gonna explain what fractions using these examples. So the question number one says, plot the following points on the number line without measuring. So they don't want you to put this number in the calculator and then find out what is that number, what is it called, because if you put it in the on the calculator, it's gonna give you a number, and then you're gonna know where it belongs. Maybe it belongs here, 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 or maybe it's after 1/2. So by the way, what is 1/2? 1/2, if you put it on the calculator, it's 0.5, right? Okay, but we don't want to do this. We want to learn how we can do it using fractions. Okay, so fractions. Okay, 2 over 3, or 2/3. I'm sure you have learned in previous lessons that 2/3 is just like 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. It's exactly like you have 2 on the denominator, right? You just add in because it's the same denominator, and you have 3 here. So this is exactly the same. Okay, so we want to know 2/3, is it before, is it after 0? Definitely it is after. It is bigger than 0, so it's going to be somewhere, it's going to start from here, somewhere going up. So is it smaller or less than 1/2? Okay, we want to think about it, right? We want to know which one is bigger. Is it 1/3 or 1/2? But remember, we have 2/3 here. So the easy way to do this, if you have 1/3, is to divide or cut the 1 unit on 3 sections, right? So let me explain to you how you can do this. Okay, so if you have, this is like 1/3. If you have, like, you start from this point going all the way to here, right? Let's say this is 0 and this is 1, right? What's the middle? The middle is 1 over 2. That's 1/2, right? What is this? The middle half of 1/2 is 1 over 4, right? What is this one, for example? So, okay, think about it. This is 1/4. If you move from here to here, and then from here to here, then from here to here, another half. So half plus half, quarter plus quarter is 1/2. But another quarter, it just adding these, right? Remember, I think you've done it before. It's just like adding 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. What is it called? Since it's the same number in the denominator. The denominator is the bottom of the fraction, so it stays the same. Since it's common denominator, it will stay the same, and then you will add the numbers on the top. That will be 3 over 4. So what is 3 over 4? So we have, this is like 1 over 4. This is 1/2, but it's also equal to 1 over 4. So 2 over 4. Same thing. You're just moving by 1 unit on the top and keeping the same number on the denominator, right? So 2 over 4, if you simplify it, it's gonna be 1/2. Okay, let me explain to you, maybe if you forgot how to simplify. If you have 2 over 4, what is it's equal what? 2. 2 is already simplified, but what is 4? 4 can be written in a different way. It can be like 2 times 2. It's 4, right? So if whenever you have the same numbers, like on the numerator and denominator, same numbers, and you have a multiplication sign here, they cancel each other like this. You cancel, you're gonna end up with 1 over 2. So 2 over 4 is the same as 1 over 4. This is just like a review, because I'm just using this example or this homework problem to explain to you the whole lesson about fractions. Okay, so just bear with me. By the end of this video, fractions will be piece of cake for you. Okay, so let's erase some of this stuff. I hope you are writing somewhere and then you're following up with me. Okay. Okay, so after we added a quarter plus a quarter plus a quarter, it's what? So this point here is 3 over 4. How about this one? This is, I already put is 1, but what is it also? How can we write 1 in terms of quarters? So this is 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter. This is 4 quarter. So it's 4 quarter. This is what you can say it this way too. 4 quarter, right? 4 quarter. What did I just said about simplifying? 4 quarter is the same as 4 times 1. This is easy, right? 4 times 1. So 4 cancels out. We end up with 1. 1 over 1 is just 1, right? Also, whenever you have the same number, a number, let's say 20 over 20. What is 20 over 20? Equals 1. Any number you divide by the same number, they cancel each other. Just remember this one, and I'm sure a lot of you know it, but it's good. Math is all about remembering relationships between numbers. If you remember these relationships, math will be so easy. And in fact, math, it is easy. Do not be afraid of math, okay? Never be afraid of math, okay? I think math is even easier than English, actually, because English, I think you think even more, actually. But math, once you are comfortable with the basics, if you're good foundation, that's why it's good to start with good foundation. Okay, so I don't want to make this video very long. I am gonna cut it here and then make another part of it. I hope this is all clear, and then I am gonna make another part. So watch the next part so we can continue solving these problems. Thank you.